Explore a blend of simplicity and modern living with your new home at West 112th Street, New York, where the university experience of your dreams awaits you. These non-en-suites offer a warm bed, clean sheets, and soft pillows to make every nap the perfect relaxing escape, a storage-friendly closet for your fits, and a workspace made for productivity. If you're tired of binge watching on your laptop, just move to the smart TV and press play on your favorite cinematic universe while the in-unit AC keeps things cool for you. Let's add on-site laundry to skip time-consuming laundromat hauls, weekly housekeeping for hygiene, and speedy internet for connectivity to the mix. Now that sounds like a complete package. With campuses like Columbia University and Mount Sinai School of Medicine minutes away on foot or wheels, your timely arrival is inevitable. Buses at Amsterdam Avenue and the subway at 116th Street are just around the corner to make your Big Apple adventures super easy. Sounds like a great deal? Book your spot at West 112th Street via amberstudent.com.